Hi, I am Katie Cooke, and I am the 6-8 science teacher.
Hi, my name's Scott Lawson, and I teach science to the prep and the lower school here at Elmwood Franklin. I just love teaching here at Elmwood Franklin because I get to see a lot of the kids. I get to see the 3-year-olds all the way up through 4th grade, and just seeing their curiosity that they have, especially in the prep department, just as they're kind of asking all these amazing questions and getting to explore those, and just helping them understand that they can find answers to their own questions, and knowing that they have the power and the ability to go out and seek those answers and find out. If they're 3 years old, sometimes this is maybe the first time they've had this experience or seen this specific phenomena, seeing a leaf for the first time that's changing from one color to another, this tracks in the snow that they've discovered as we're walking in the winter. So it's just kind of cool to just be able to see the look on their face as they maybe see something for the very first time.
I also think past seeing things for the first time, starting to understand why for the first time. My students just built small boats and got them to understand why they would float and what works. But they finally started understanding how mass and volume and density, the way it's designed and the way cargo is placed, how that all helps and creates a floating structure that you would otherwise think would sink. I'm looking forward to everything. I love what I get to teach. I started as a geologist, so getting to teach rocks and minerals is amazing. I love teaching space. I adore it because I get to watch curiosity and wonder grow in every single student. Your support makes all of this possible.
Thank you for supporting Elmwood Franklin School.